That's just me. That's Brie. That's just me, and that's Brie. So we'll put these back. We'll put that back in there. And that can go out to the car. Okay. Other thing is a couple little pair of earrings, and I love these little bags. Save your little bags that you get because you can use that like when you're going on a trip. Save these little bags. Like what I do is save the little ones and put them in one big one so that when I go on a trip I have a way to separate out necklaces or earrings so they don't get tangled or mixed up or anything. But I fell in love with these. Brie is having a little cow. I fell in love with these. These are like Brie. Okay. Hold on, let me kick. There. It's like little marcasite on top, and then this looks like a little piece of, I don't know, stone, little white stone. I just think they're so pretty. And then I also got a little pair of something I've wanted for a long time. They had it like last year. I didn't get them, and then I noticed they had them back, and I'm like, I'm getting them. I'm getting those. These are also like a marcasite, and they are little turtles. Can y'all see that? Little turtles, sparkly turtles. Why do I want turtles? I don't know. Let's put them in. Aren't they just, they're just cute. I don't even know what you'd wear them with, but just like today, for no reason at all, just something cute. Which would go better with my outfit? The white ones or the turtles? We just got put under a severe thunderstorm watch. What do y'all think? Which ones? Comment below, do you like the white stone ones with the marcasite or the turtle marcasites? I'm going to have them both on for right now. I kind of feel like because of this, it's got my black and white, and this is black and white cheetah print on this little shirt. It's actually, this could be with leggings underneath. I've got cream colored leggings underneath them. But this shirt is so long, it literally could be a dress. As long as you wear flats. But anyway. Alright, so that's those. Okay. I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to keep going. What's in here? What? Oh my gosh. Did I ever go over all this? I don't think I did. This is more haul from my Charleston. I may have to do that in a separate video. I forgot I had that. Look, it's part of my Blue Mercury. Remember I had 2 bags. I never even opened what was in this one. Yeah. Okay, I got this in the mail. Oh, I wanted to show y'all this for sure. Alright, I got this in the mail. I ordered it. It was a skinny person, which is never good. It's never good for you as a little short fat lady. And it's okay. I know I got fat and I'm short, so I know it. It sounds insulting, but if I was that bothered by it, I'd do something about it, right? But I saw this outfit, and it's probably not going to look the same on me, but I thought it was so cute. It's, the color is white. This is Penelope Project in extra large, and let's see how I get in. Let's see how I get into Penelope. Just wrote that song, YouTube. Don't get upset for copyright purposes. I just wrote it. Okay. This is cute. Oh, it's got little... Y'all, got earrings that will go with this. Even though I bought earrings to go with it. I have got a blonde wood. Y'all seen it. It's just like a double V-neck. V on the front and V on the back. You can see it's just a real pretty little gauzy mesh and print. Not print. It's woven. And it's got little poochy sleeves so that when you got kind of a big shoulder like me, it doesn't be so tight, and it's a little further down. It's not those cap sleeves that your big old shoulder hangs out the top. I hate that. But it's kind of short. So my boobs will probably make it hang out too far, and then it won't come down far enough. Did I just say that? It happens, y'all. It does. When you get a little overweight, you're... Another watch. Okay, y'all here. By the way, if you're wondering why my phone's talking to me, WSB TV has a verbal announcement system, which I like. Oh, that's why. This is from Just Fab. That's where I saw this. Just Fab. And I do not have a coupon code or anything like that, but I will tell you, I like being a part of Just Fab. I'm a member, and you pay a monthly amount, which I think is like $30 or $34 or something like that per month. And you get credits. If they're not really credits, you paid $34. But and you can buy stuff every month, and it's shoes, handbags. I think they even got makeup and jewelry. I know they have jewelry and clothing. And I just thought this was a cute pair of shorts. You can see it's gathered. It's kind of like Hawaii, but it's got kind of taupey with that cream color. And it's got pockets on the back, and it's got little tie, waist tie belt. And it will go with this top. I hear a little velvet over there having some water. Do you hear her? So yeah, see, that's how it goes together. And then to go with that, I got these earrings. And they're called Weave Me Alone. Because they're woven weave, get it? Weave me alone. I just thought these colors would look beautiful with this outfit. And it would. But because of that wood on there, I also could use my wood earrings. They're wood buttons. So what do y'all think? Is that pretty? Look at the earrings. Let me show them to you up close, a little bit closer. Aren't those pretty, y'all? This is just woven grass, and this is like almost a kaleidoscope tortoise shell, but there's all kind of colors in it. So, and I think that's not too long for me. No. The big thing is about being short is you have a short neck, and so nothing really, you know, everything's always too long. Those aren't. I'm so happy. I hope this outfit looks cute. If not, I gotta send it back to Just Fab. But I'm gonna keep the earrings. Is that wrong? Is that wrong? No, it's not. Okay, so we'll look at that. Put that in the bag. And we'll keep this bag just because you never know if I want to return it. You have to get, I think, return authorization. Actually, there's a little thing that comes with it that tells you how to return if you need to. Hopefully, I won't have to because I need to wear more shorts and not everything always being black. My husband says, baby, wear black to everything. Everything's black. It's true. It's true. I do. I need to branch out and have some more color. When you're overweight, you tend to wear a lot of black because it's flattering. And it's sophisticated, and it goes with everything. But I'll be honest, a lot of it's just because it's flattering. And again, I'm starting Weight Watchers July 10th, and I will be doing a video about it. Not because they're asking me. I've done it before. So, I mean, it's not like I'm being sponsored or anything like that. What just happened there? I think I just decided on, I don't know. Both of these are cute. I do like these little guys. I do like these. Just comment below. Okay. Here's another thing that I got, and I forgot all about it. What is wrong with me that you purchase things? Don't even remember you purchased them. I don't. Oh, I know what it was. I went. Where is it? I don't even have it in here with me. I wonder where it is. So here on YouTube, in the fro, Victoria, she has grown to be huge, and she's a tiny, tiny, tiny little young person, and she has worked really, really hard over the years. She loves fashion. She has done her own book, which I love. She's done a Strawberry purse, which in London for Strawberry to pick you up, that's a big deal that they give her her own little purse and wallets and card holders. I think she's done makeup somewhere or another. But anyway, she worked with, I think it's Unique. Or was it Skinny Dip? Now I can't remember what the brand is. But I'm going to be doing it. I need to go find where I ordered it. But I got on a website. This was actually Skinny Dip. I cannot remember whose brand this is. But I got on the website and I found a lot of little cute things I like. So this is from Skinny Dip. I think it even says Skinny Dip right there. It does, and here. And this is just a makeup pouch. What I like about this is that it's see-through. It reminds me of the Anya Heinrich ones. So those of you who know who that is, they're usually like $119 for a plastic thing. Remember, when you get these, take them out, tear them open over the toilet, and flush. Don't ever leave those out anywhere. So as soon as I'm through with this, I will go do that. Because if that gets in a child or a doggy or an adult's digestive system, it can kill you. So it's very important. That silicone is very, very dangerous. So got to be careful about it. But I thought this was a really pretty print. It's just those palm leaves that are green. You see this a lot. It's very, very popular in the summer, and it's on this almost like a bubblegum pink, a pale bubblegum pink. And you can see dog hair is already on this. Seconds. It's just been here for seconds. And anyway, severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, so now it's changed from a watch to a warning. Okay, and so it's got two little zips that close it. It's only one thick though, just so you know. So that's that one. I also got this one. This is for traveling, or I may decide to make this a part of a giveaway because I've got so many travel ones. I don't know why I did this. I just thought it looked so cool, to be honest, when I was on the website. the weirdest. Look at the kind of, oh, it's almost like this candle. Look. Look! Oh my gosh, it is like that. It's that kind of metallic oil spill look. That is a big makeup pouch. That would be great for traveling. Look how big this is. I'm putting it next to my head. Look how thick and big that is. Is it a good zipper? Let's see. Oh, that's a little nice leather or leatherette zipper pull thing. Yeah. Oh, and it's, oh wow. It's a frame. It's like, it closes, look. It's like a metal frame, so it sits open. I think I'm gonna have to keep this for when we travel. I love it. And then I went also and got the matching little one that you could put in your purse, or you could put your brushes in here, like have all that be your makeup and toiletries, and this be your brushes. And because I got so many brushes I take with me, I could either take a hard case, which y'all know I do have one right here. And I believe that's from Morphea. And I use the lid when I take this off to put my toothbrush and toothpaste in, so this can just sit right there on the dresser at the hotel. But I could put everything in this, and I do like this. Let's see if it's a good zipper. Very good zipper, y'all. Very good. I love this set. So that's the set that I got. I think I'm gonna keep it. And it matches the candle in back of me. That's so funny, y'all. So that's that. What else? I think I already showed y'all this. What this is doing in here. This is just from Bath and Body Works. I thought it was the cutest little keychain. Why? Why do I get any more keychains? Y'all seen? I was on the end of the room going, so cute. What is it, Velvet? It's a weenie dog. Is that the cutest? And then in his butt, that's kind of weird. You insert the little hand sanitizer. It's a hand sanitizer. Which one is this one? Oh, it's really hard to get out. I'm not going to pull it out. I think I got